I have good news for Slovenia. The Commission has decided that Slovenia can receive this first payment of around 50 million euros from Next Generation EU. This is the result of good progress in the implementation of the Slovene Recovery Plan. You adopted a national plan for the transformation of the economy. Next Generation EU will help Slovene businesses, for example, go digital. This makes Slovenia an even more attractive place for investment. You are facilitating access to funding, in particular for green investments. You're making public procurement procedures leaner and more transparent, and you're cutting red tape for businesses. So this all goes in the right direction. And I also welcome the important steps taken towards a long-term care reform for the benefit of the most vulnerable. So, good progress as you see, but it's just the beginning. Slovenia is set to receive over 2.2 billion euros as it rolls out further reforms and investments. Keep up the good work, Slovenia, and we stand right by your side as you roll out your plan under Next Generation EU.